Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how you add an address on Ulta Beauty app. We will also include a link in the description below for our favorite Ulta Beauty products. To start, open the Ulta Beauty app by tapping on it. Once the app is opened, you will see a sign in button at the middle part of the screen. Tap on Sign In. On the fields provided, enter your email address and password. Once the email address and password are entered, tap on Sign In. On the lower part of the screen, you will see several options. Tap on the option that says Account. Under your account, you will see several options. Tap on the option that says Addresses. Here you will see the list of all your saved addresses. Tap on the option that says Add Address. Next, on the fields provided, enter all the necessary information, such as your first and last name, address, city, state, zip code, and mobile number. After entering all the necessary information, tap on Save. That's how you add an address on Ulta Beauty app. Also, check out our favorite Ulta Beauty products in the description below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next one.